they always say one problem, that nobody is guiding us. Okay.
Mm.
And I always say them that if nobody is guiding us, then what you are doing for that? Are you guiding yourself? Be your first
Mm.
mentor. So
Mm.
even in the PhD, many people ask me, sir, guide is not guiding. And I always tell them, guide is already having the PhD. You
Mm.
want to have your PhD, so be your first guide and then talk to the guide as like a consultant, that he's just a technical expert and just to audit your work. Don't
Okay.
depend on him. So the first thing, the message should be one thing, that don't depend on anybody. Start your own knowledge, start your own research, because today knowledge is everywhere. You have to be connected on social media. You have to talk to the people. And if your email and if your presentation is very good, everybody will try to guide you. Okay.
Okay.
And be very much informed and aware what is happening, and be the most important is be clear with your vision, that okay, this is the work I want to do, this is what I'm good at, these are the skills that I want to improve. And most important message is, don't think that once you are into teaching line, or you have done your you can say MTech or PhD, even you are gone. Please consider that you're always a student. Even today, I work like simple student. I don't consider myself as a PhD. I consider that I'm a student and I want to enhance myself. But since I will say one thing, that, okay, I've done my PhD, I know the edge of computer science, then on that day I will be finished. So keep on learning. This is most important for you to understand, that keep on sharpening your skills. Because if you talk of 7 years back, there was no job like of data science or cloud computing, but these days you can see the jobs are improving. Maybe after 3 years, the jobs of today will not be the jobs of tomorrow, because in the future, you see the jobs like automation, industry 4.0, cyber physical systems, digital twinning, augmented reality. We see smart grids. So these are the technologies that is going to make the things in the world magical. Okay. So in order to become the part of this magical technologies, you have to empower yourself, that, okay, I'm actually mentally ready and I'm flexible and robust enough, and I can scale my skills anytime, and I can enhance everything. So that is what I want to give the message, that you have to enhance your skills every day. Even today, I'm saying, Mr. Chandan, that even I'm enrolled to more than 10 courses right now in Coursera. Even if I find that even you can see that some of the FDPs or webinars that are coming on my email ID regularly, I always check the content. I don't see the professor. First of all, I see the content, and then I check that who is the person who is going to deliver, what is his experience, what practical things he has done. And then I immediately enroll the course,
So
because
this
I have to value my time like other things like that.